Hi, my name is Adam. I'm going to show you how you can edit and capture data directly from your mobile device. So we're opening the map now in the ArcGIS.com viewer. This map looks identical to the map that we saw a moment ago in ArcMap. So from this, you'll notice I have an edit dialog. That's thanks to the feature service. Now what that enables me to do is to click it and start interacting with features. So as an example, I can click on an existing feature and modify any of the attributes that are there. If I like, I can click on the icon over here and just place a point on the map. So now I can enter in a new trout stocking location and update the attributes. Notice that all of the attributes are following what we set up in that map document. So all the aliases, fish count, trout species, ambient temperature, all of those are coming across. And just like that, we add a feature in the map. So we are ready to go. Now, you can change the base maps in the back here. You can pick whatever's most appropriate for you. I'll leave the topographic base map. We'll save the map. So I'll give this map now a new name. So we can call it trout stocking map. We can give it a couple tags so someone can search and discover if we wanted them to. Trout in Guadalupe. We can give it a quick summary. This is our volunteer mobile map, and we hit save. So we've just now created a new map that lives on ArcGIS.com and is now available to the members of my group. So let's go into the content, and I can show you the map that we just made. Here it is, trout stocking map. Notice, though, that it's not shared with anybody. It's still private on my group. So let's share it. Again, I could share it with everyone, but we're going to keep it private with our own group. And I'll say OK. So here's my iPhone. If you had a Windows Phone 7 or an Android device, you would have the exact same experience. I'm going to open up the ArcGIS application. Let's find the map that we just published. I'll do that by going to My Maps and going straight to that folder where we stored it. In this case, I'll open up our trout stocking program map. And there is the map that we just authored in ArcGIS.com. We'll zoom in and you can see the points that we collected. So as a volunteer, I'm now accessing this map on a mobile device. And I can do more than just view and look at this map. I can actually capture and edit information. So to do that, we'll just tap the button in the top right there. You'll notice that I have the option now to collect and add new features to the map. So we'll do that. Now, I'm going to collect a location. I could do this using the GPS on my phone. In this case, I'm going to physically place it on the map. So we'll zoom in to this area of the river, tap it, accept that as my location, and up comes our form, our attribute information. So you'll see, and you'll recognize this from the map, that all of the aliases are set, and we've got our fish count. So as a volunteer, I simply select the fish count attribute and give it an update. When I'm done with that, I say OK. If I wanted to update anything else here, I certainly could do that just by interacting with the map. Say done. Let's go ahead and finish. And just like that, we've added a new feature to the map. Now, I can add features, but I can also modify existing features. So here I see on the other end of this bend a point that existed already. So I can tap that point, open up the attributes, and modify any of these just by hitting the edit button in the top. So if I wanted to update one of these values, I certainly could do that. So just like that, we've taken our map to our mobile device, we've captured data in the field and shown how we can update and capture content directly from our mobile device. So that's it. As you can see, it's a straightforward process for extending the power of GIS outside of your office, but not only outside of your office, to anyone using their Windows 7 phone, their Android, or their iPhone. Thank you.